Hi guys, my name is Lily and I work for the education department here at MOLA. I'm the education assistant. So today I'm gonna help you guys make magnetic slime. So first things first, we're gonna need a bowl. That's our most important thing. Second, we're gonna need some glue, liquid starch, iron. You could easily get this somewhere similar to Amazon. You could use food coloring. You don't have to, but we could always make it cute and pretty. And then we're also gonna need a magnet. First things first, we're gonna use glue. The best thing that you could do is use a cup. You could always eyeball it, but this is better so that we know exactly how much to put in. So we're gonna put about maybe 1/4 of this in here. A quick tip, please make sure that you wear clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. So next step, you're gonna get some iron and you're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of iron in here. I want to make it really pretty, so I'm gonna add food coloring. Next, we're just gonna mix it. So remember, don't be afraid to get a little bit dirty. And as you could tell, the texture is really like slimy right now. But we haven't gotten to the fun part of it. Our last ingredient. So this is liquid starch. Liquid starch kind of acts like an activator in a way. So once you pour it, it makes like the texture change. So it's more like slime and less like sticky like glue. And I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup of it in here. Stick to the end. Okay, we're just gonna mix it. It's starting to all really stick together. Remember to mix it really well. Becoming less sticky and more sticking together. And if you look at it, you see all the bits and pieces of iron if you look really close. So remember, we really want to mix this up. Again, you will get a bit dirty. That's okay. This is like a really fun activity to do. I'm gonna scoop some of this inside a cup. This is a magnet. This is a really powerful magnet. Any magnet could do, but this is probably like our best bet if we really want to see how it works. We did this during our STEAM week, week 1 of our 2023 summer camp. If you want to do more projects similar to this, you could join us next year for 2024 summer camp next July. Thank you. Bye.